Forget the lame interview questions. What do you do? Where are you from? Do you come here often? It's weak. It signals zero social intelligence and puts her straight into autopilot, polite answer mode. You learn nothing real and you bore her to death. Want to actually get her intrigued, opening up, revealing her real personality? Use elicitation. This is how you run high-value conversation. Here's the problem with direct questions. They instantly trigger her defenses. A little guard pops up in her brain saying, okay, evaluate this question, filter the answer. She gives you safe, boring, rehearsed crap. You get stuck on the surface level and attraction dies right there. The power move? Use statements, observations, cold reads, assertive opinions, playful assumptions. Why? Because statements bypass that defensive brain guard. She doesn't feel interrogated. She feels like she's in a real conversation with someone who actually has a point of view. This works for attraction for 3 key reasons. 1. Signals, confidence. You're not meekly asking for data. You're leading, contributing, framing the interaction. Big difference. 2. Creates intrigue. A sharp observation or a bold statement makes her want to react, to agree, disagree, correct you, explain herself. It pulls her into the conversation emotionally. 3. Gets investment. She starts talking more, revealing more, investing her thoughts and energy into the interaction with you. That investment builds connection way faster than sterile Q&A. How does this look in practice? Ditch the interview. Instead of, do you like this bar? Boring question. Use, this place has a specific example trying too hard or surprisingly chill vibe tonight. Observational statement, invites her opinion or reaction. Instead of, what kind of books do you read? Generic question. Use, you seem like someone who reads specific genre, example thrillers or something intense. Cold read statement, makes her confirm, deny or qualify, revealing her actual taste. Instead of, where have you traveled? Standard question. Use, you look like you've got some interesting travel stories hiding behind that smile. Observational or cold read statement invites intrigue and storytelling. Instead of, what are your hobbies? Use, getting a creative vibe from you. Guessing you paint or play an instrument or something along those lines. Assumption or cold read statement prompts specific denial or confirmation. Instead of, are you usually this quiet? Awkward question. Use, you've got a thoughtful vibe going on, processing all the chaos around here. Observational or assumption statement gives her an out while inviting her to share her inner state. Instead of, are you adventurous? Predictable question. Use, something tells me you're probably the friend who's always suggesting the slightly crazy fun idea. Playful assumption statement invites her to confirm or playfully deny, revealing personality. Using disbelief, like the Uber driver trick. Her, yeah, work was insane today. You, no way. You seem totally unfazed. I wouldn't have guessed you had a stressful day. Challenges playfully, encourages her to elaborate on why it was insane, sharing a real story. The goal is to shift the dynamic, get her out of that guarded, polite mode and into genuine interaction, like she's talking to a friend, someone she can be real with. That's where the sparks happen. You use statements to guide the conversation there, making her feel comfortable revealing her true self because you're comfortable leading with your own observations and opinions. Quick reality check. Calibrate this. Don't make wildly offensive statements just to get a reaction. The point is confident, observant, or playful declarations that invite genuine responses, not clumsy interrogation. Read the room, adjust accordingly. Bottom line, stop interviewing women like you're filling out a form. Start eliciting genuine reactions with confident statements. Lead the interaction, create intrigue, and get past the surface level. That's how you build real connection and attraction.